So in this video, I'll be showing you how to perform a solo mode breakthrough in Where Winds Meet. Now, if your level has been capped to a specific number, say for example 20%, and you want to be able to bypass that, you need to go through a solo mode breakthrough. So to do that, simply go ahead and access solo mode. So you can just open the menu and then select solo mode upgrade. And then from here, you just select the option breakthrough. Now you will need to go through a test. This means fighting a specific horde of enemies. And once you've finished fighting all the hordes, whether it's 1, 2, 3, 7, whatever number it is, once you've completed that, you should have successfully gone through the breakthrough. So it should look something like this when you're going through the first 2 times. And then when you're done with fighting all of these enemies, it completes as 3 waves. Then you'll have successfully broken through and you'll be able to upgrade your character to reach past that solo mode breakthrough. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.